Hello guys, welcome back to another video in this journey inside mathematics. So we have talked about circumference, where circumference is equal to perimeter. And we talk about the pi, and we say pi is recognized by this symbol in most cases. And how to find pi, we divide the circumference over the diameter, and it is denoted by this formula. And we ask a question, how do we get circumference? Okay, how do we get circumference? And say circumference is equals to pi d, or 2 pi r, and d is the diameter, which is equals to 2 r, r which is the radius. So we multiply radius times 2, we get a d, or r plus r. In this case, let us take an example. We want to find, let us find the circumference of radius 7 centimeters. And of course, we are going to take pi as 22 over 7. So in this case now, when you are looking to a solution, we say, let C be our circumference in this case. So let us say C is equals to pi d. So C is equals to 22 over 7 times 2 times 7. So the question is, where did we get 2? Formula for circumference, C is equals to pi d, or 2 pi r. So in this case, we say the pi, we don't have the value of d for the diameter, so we need to multiply this diameter times 2. If that is the case, it means that 7 is in centimeter. It means that 7, we cancel and 7. Then we get something like 44 centimeters. That will be our circumference. Okay, I want you to find the circumference radius 10.5. Let's say 10.5 millimeters. That's your question. Bye bye.